Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Today I have only 10 euro session. Ticket number 22, 23. Hola, buen dia. Okay, vamos comisar. Let's start. Outside Portugal on how to win. On this ticket, I have to complete the numbers to win. There are 9 chances to win. Jugoom, Game 1 to Jugonob. Game 9. I use this slots and scratch card jackpots 12, 11. 11. I miss a lot of numbers of this. I think there's no 12 if I don't miss numbers. 46, 17. In Portuguese, números. 46, 17. Is 45 or what? 25. 46, 17. There's 12 here, of course. Hi, Jessica. 29, 18. 29. 29. 18. No 18 or I don't see. Most of the times I don't see. 38, 3. 38, 3. So maybe this is a winner. I need 18 to win. Why focus on these numbers? 3. No 3 or what? I need 18 to win. 14, 54. 14, 54, 54. 14. 47, 13. 13, 47. I need 51 to win. 47, 13. Size 41. Size 41. 52. Ay, winner! 51. 52. I'm happy it's a winner, guys, because it's not easy to win on Portugal Lottery. 51, 52, 51. Come on. 8, 27, 8. 8, 27. There's 22 or not? No 22. There's 8. No 44. I need 18, but there's no 18. There's 18. Oh Lord, Sika. There's 18. 2 wins. Maybe there's 44. 44, no. I'm so happy. At least I get back all my money. Okay, there's 18. I didn't see. Okay, 18. 2 matches. No 22. Maybe this is a good win. 2 matches. 5-5. 10 or 10-15. 5-15. 10-5. And 25-25. I don't know. Let's see. Let's hope it's a good win. Des y 5. 15. There's 15. Des y 5. Oh Lord. Okay, so this is the lucro. 10 plus 5. Okay, so I was hoping it's 20. But no. Z. Okay. Maybe I missed numbers. I hope I missed numbers. 53. No. Okay, so 15 is this. Nice. Okay. $34. 55. No. So confirm, I think. Okay, 15 euro is good, guys. I only spend 10. $45, $46. 45, 46. 46. 45. 37, 12. 37, 12. 12. This is set 22. This is set 22. So maybe this is a winner. I need 30. This is set 22. 34, 29. 29. 34. 12. Oh Lord, chica. I need 47 to win. 38. 18. 18. Ay, where I am. 38, 18, 18, 38. 52, 2. I need 30 and 47. 52, 2. 52. No 2. There's no number 2 or I don't see. There's not. No 21. 21. Ah, there's 2. Ah, Lord, chica. 26. No 21. 21. There's this set here. Oh, Lord. So many numbers. No 21. No 26, 31. 26. 31. 28, 14. 14, 28. A lot of chances to win, but there's no win. No 55. No 30. No 33. No 32. a lot of chances, but I don't win. I am very lucky person. Lottery code. Okay, so confirm not winner. So different letters, a lot of chances to win, but I don't win. 33, 11, 30, 32. Jesus, 47. Okay, but not bad, guys. Not bad. I got 15 euro out of 10 euro session. Lucro 5 euro. I spent 10, guys, and I won 15, so it's a good session. For me, it's a good session. Okay? Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.